One of the smartest features you'll find with Mazda Connect is how you can use your own voice to control the infotainment system. This lets you keep both hands on the wheel while you're on the road. To start the voice recognition control feature, press and release the talk button on the steering wheel. Wait for a beep and then say a command. To stop voice recognition control, press and hold the talk button again. You can navigate to different pages off your Mazda Connect home screen by saying Go to, then Home, Navigation, Communication, Settings, or Phone. You can control the various audio sources installed in your car by simply saying Play, followed by the source. For example, AM, FM, Bluetooth, XM, aux, USB, Pandora, AHA. Or you can select a specific song from your device's library by naming the artist, album, playlist, or genre. To choose a station or channel from terrestrial or satellite radio, say Tune In, then the station frequency, channel name, or number. Your voice commands can also control your Bluetooth-connected smartphone. Simply say Call or Dial, followed by a name or number, redial, or callback. If equipped for navigation, you can either say Navigate or Drive to Address. If you need to change course, just say Clear Route or Cancel Route. Other useful commands are Help, Cancel, Go Back, Scroll Up, Scroll Down, Page Up, Page Down, Next, or Previous. The best way for the system to recognize your voice is to speak in a normal voice after the beep. You don't need to speak loudly. Just be sure to speak clearly without long pauses between words or numbers. The built-in vehicle microphone should pick up your voice without you having to face or lean toward it. Also note that the Mazda Connect voice recognition control system will disengage when you are connected to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. In those cases, the Siri or Google Assistant function will take over.